Hi, I'm Mark Hutchinson. I'm CEO at Hutchinson Engineering. I would like to discuss some of the opportunities for our Welding Academy. Our Welding Academy was set up a number of years ago in direct response to the shortage of welder fabricators, especially in the local area. We felt this was our best way to give people from all backgrounds a really good opportunity to learn a brand new skill.
Hello, I'm Cahill. I joined Hutchinson Engineering through the Welding Academy, where experts were brought in from Teach Weld NI to train us in-house. During this time I also attended NRC to gain level 3 fabrication and welding. I'm only here 2 years and now I'm coded welder and I'm still learning every day. Hutchinson's look after you really well and my manager stops by for a chat whenever he's out and about. When I never got here I thought it was good. Took me through like SOPs, training, how to use grinders and stuff like that before I even got onto the floor. Once I got onto the floor, I had a fair idea, understanding of how everything worked, and then just built on from there, learning the basics of the welder and stuff like that. The trainers as well, they go into so much detail in it that you nearly know the most of it before you go onto the floor to begin with. And I'd recommend a career at Hutchinson Engineering to anyone.
So here at Hutchinson Engineering, we're a second generation family business. That family feel flows right down through all levels of the business. So if you join our team, you'll be made to feel welcome from the very first day that you step in through the door. You'll be teamed up with an experienced member, and from there on, you'll be shown everything that you need to know. So if you'd like to have the best opportunity to have a great working environment, you'll be very welcome to join our team.